Hi everyone. So today, I'm going to give you some directions specifically for our writing lesson today. I was looking at all of the feedback from both you and mom and dad, and lots of us wanted some specific directions, which I totally understand. So here they are. Okay, they may not be for every single lesson, but for some lessons that I think we could definitely benefit from some one-on-one explanation, I will do my best to have that for you. Okay, so for today's writing lesson, you're actually going to be watching this on the slide before. So once you're on this writing lesson where it says Writing Monday, April 6th, you're going to read this poem called Lawnmower by Valerie Worth. Okay, you're going to read the poem. And then the first question says, what sensory details in the poem help you imagine what is happening? So what that means is I just want you to tell me what lines in there gave you sensory details that helped you imagine what was going on in the story. Be specific, okay? You can just type right after this question. Now, if your text is too big and it moves your other questions down, just make your font smaller or highlight it and make it smaller when you're all done. Okay, even if you make the question smaller, that's fine. Okay, then after you answer that question, you're going to go to the next one where it says, what do you notice about the capitalization and punctuation of the poem? So you're going to go back and you're going to really study the poem for the capitalization that you see and the punctuation. What that means, like periods, question marks, all those type of things. What do you notice about what Valerie did in her poem in regards to capitalization and punctuation? Then on the next slide, you are going to write a poem about anything. So this is what the slide will look like. Okay, you'll have a title of your poem and your name. And then you can write a poem with sensory details about anything you want. Okay, get creative, do the best you can. All right, but it can be about your favorite things, anything that you want. So I hope those directions help. Okay, but please make sure you're reading the poem and go over what the questions are asking you. But I hope my explanation of what those questions are asking makes a little bit more clear for yourself to feel that you know exactly what you're doing. Okay? All right. See you later. Bye.